Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be taking a look at SubWire, which is Qortal's very own Substack Q app. So let's jump right in. I'm currently on Qortal Hub on the command center, and the first thing I'm going to do is click over here, SubWire, which is one of the featured Q apps on Qortal. I'm going to click on it and open it. As you can see here, it opens in a new tab. And well, the first thing you'll see is that you have two choices, either to create a new article, which kind of works like a blog, I would say, whereby you could have text, images, videos, music, etc. Or you could explore existing publications, which as you can see here, there's already quite a few that have been written by different users of Qortal. You could also search by somebody's name if you're looking for a specific author of a certain article. For now, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on write because I want to show you guys how easy it is to create a new SubWire article. And I'm going to choose essay for this example. And for this example, I'm going to be publishing one of the blogs that I actually have on Qortal.dev about the Qortal economy. I occasionally write blogs. You could check it out on Qortal.dev/blogs. So I'm going to be uploading one of those blog posts here. So I'm going to upload the cover image first. I already have it in my downloads folder. I just downloaded it over here. The title is the Qortal economy. And then the subtitle, we're not going to put one. And for the story, I already have it pasted over here. So you can see here all the text has been pasted. Once you're ready, you could go ahead and click publish over here. So I'm going to do so now. And you're asked to complete a small publishing modal, which is a small transaction fee that you have to pay to publish your article to the Qortal data network. So this is absolutely normal. You have to accept it. I'm going to do so here. And now it's offering me a really cool little option, which is to also share it on Twitter. Twitter is also a Q app found on Qortal. It's very similar to X on the normal internet, except that it's completely peer-to-peer and decentralized, of course, just like everything is on Qortal. And I'm going to go ahead and do so. I'm going to post it to Twitter as well. And then once again, you have to give the application permission to post it. I'm going to accept it. And it was successful. And there you go. There's our first article published to SubWire on Qortal about the Qortal economy. So yes, that was very, very easy. One other thing I want to show you is if I go back to the homepage and go back to explore publications, one person recently published something, and it is a private article. Actually, I'm going to go on Twitter. He was marketing it on Twitter. Over here, as you can see, I have a new SubWire for paid subscribers. So we're going to click on this link. It's going to open up a new SubWire link. And as we could see here, fail to decrypt content. You may not have access to this group. If you are a member, please wait for the group keys to sync. But obviously, I'm not a member of that group. And if I click subscribe here, we see that in order to have access to that content, we have to pay 3 Qrt a month to have access to it. So this is really a groundbreaking feature in Qortal in the sense that we now have monetization possible using subscriptions within Qortal. So just like on the normal internet, now on Qortal, content creators can come in and start making money by, for example, posting articles on SubWire, or for example, in the future, posting videos to QTube or on Twitter or any future Q app that's going to be built in the future on Qortal. So this is really revolutionary because now Qortal is no longer just a alternative internet, but is truly broken the frontier of becoming also a parallel economy as well. And all of this being fully decentralized, fully peer-to-peer with no centralized middlemen, no big tech servers, no cloud providers, none of that. So really embracing the ideology of Web3 and sticking to the Web3 fundamentals completely. So yes, really, really cool stuff. This is something you could do. You could click subscribe. I'm going to obviously make a video about creating subscriptions in the near future, but just be aware that for now, as a content creator on Qortal, you could start generating Qrt for yourself. So yes, this was the little tour of SubWire I wanted to make for you. I hope you enjoyed today's short demo, and I'll see you in the next one.